Today we're having akara and pap for breakfast, and of course, this is me just making my akara myself from scratch. Okay, I like wala, but yeah, you just do this with your blender. Just use the pulse effect so that it doesn't crush, and of course, it would help you take out the skin. You rinse and rinse until you can find little to no dirt. Me, not be shit. Okay, I clean and attire, I leave on like that. Okay, now you can say I changed my blender because that butchie mix will crush the destiny out of my beans. And I don't like my akara being too smooth. Okay, so I added some onions, added some pepper, blended this till I felt like the texture was good enough for me. Not too smooth, not too rough. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Of course, I went on ahead to add more peppers and more chopped onions, okay, because yeah, I added salt. And that's about it, guys. I don't add seasoning to mine. Do you add it? I don't like to add it. I feel like this is sweet enough, okay? So this is me just frying my akara in, hot oil. And yes, once I was done with this, I made myself some pap. I used the grandiose pap. You guys, this pap doesn't have any smell at all. Not a sponsored post, but I'm just telling you, okay? See, pap making I want to say, even if you wake me for my dream, I go do it without cocoa. But anyways, I baptized mine with some milk. And yeah, this is me just showing you guys my breakfast. Extra tip, make sure to wash your blender. And this is the easiest way. Just put dishwash, put water, blend them for like 2 seconds, then rinse it off. And of course, keep your kitchen clean. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, okay?